Hello, I'm Vivek Sharma. Here I am going to present our Internet of Things project. We have done a hardware project. Let me explain briefly that what we tried in this project. So as we know that Internet of Things is all about reducing human efforts and making things more automated. So we have also put our effort in this and trying to make a room or any auditorium or different places automated. How? Uh, what we gonna do is we gonna implement this project there, and this will keep the tracks of the number of people entering or exiting the room, and based upon this, it's gonna turn on or turn off the fans, lights, or other electrical equipments. Let's get into its technical components. So here are our project. So this one is an all completely assembled. Let's talk about its technical components. So the first major component is the Arduino board. Now I have used Arduino Uno. So this is one of the very basic Arduino board, and here we are going to implement our codes that we are going to write. And then the next important thing is this infrared sensors. These two infra sensors will work together to make sure that someone is entered or exited. And the next thing is the breadboard. Now I have used the breadboard to make connections easier, and these all are the lights. So here this light is to show that after entering in the room, it will start glowing on, and if someone I mean everyone exited from the room, then it will stop glowing. And then these two are to indicate that whether someone entered in the room or to exit in the room. If the green light is on, if on it means someone exited in the room, and if the blue light on, then someone entered in the room. And this part is the relay. So relay is basically working on the signals that are going to be sent by the Arduino. It will just act as a switch for the external AC source. So let's get and this one is the cable with the help of which we are going to connect it with the laptop and upload the code, and then the rest of things will start working. So let's get it connected. So now if a person starts entering in this way, then first of all it will detect that a person entered, and this blue light will glow, which will show that it has detected that a person has entered. Yeah, so now this little glow of the blue light shown that the person entered, and now this light has on because one person is in the room. Suppose one more person entered. Again, now it has kept the track that the two person is in the room, and this blue light also again gone blue. Suppose a third person also entered. So here now it has kept the track that three persons is in the room. Now let's check the exiting portions. To make sure that it has detected, we have to focus on the green line, that the green light should gone glowing. Now the number of person is 2. Now 1, and the only one person is left in the room. So let's check that after exiting him the lights are going off or not. It has gone off. So basically this is working fine, and thank you.